If you've opened Firefox and noticed those recently visited sites or shortcut icons on your homepage and you want to remove them, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to clean up your Firefox start page. You can remove just one shortcut, or you can turn off recently visited shortcuts completely so they stop appearing in the future. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful browser tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's look at the quick method for removing a single shortcut. Open Mozilla Firefox and make sure you're on the Firefox Home page. This is the page you see when you open a new tab or start Firefox, and it usually shows your shortcut tiles or recently visited sites. Now move your mouse over the shortcut icon or website tile that you want to remove. In the top right corner of that shortcut, you'll see a 3-dot menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the options for that specific shortcut. From the menu that appears, select Dismiss. As soon as you click Dismiss, Firefox will remove that shortcut from your homepage immediately. This is the fastest option if you only want to clean up 1 or 2 specific tiles. Now, if you don't want Firefox showing recently visited websites at all, there's another setting you can change. This method is a little better if you want a cleaner homepage and don't want those shortcuts to keep coming back. To do that, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then click Settings. Once the settings page opens, click Home from the left-hand menu. This is where Firefox keeps the options for your homepage, new tabs, and shortcut layout. Scroll down until you find the Shortcuts section. Here you'll see a setting related to recent activity. Simply uncheck recent activity to stop Firefox from showing recently visited websites on your homepage. Once that option is turned off, the browser will no longer display those recent site shortcuts, which gives you a much cleaner and more private start page. If you ever want to bring them back later, you can always return to the same home settings and re-enable the option. So to quickly recap, if you want to remove just one site, use the 3-dot menu and choose Dismiss. If you want to stop recently visited sites from showing up altogether, go to Settings, then Home, and turn off recent activity under Shortcuts. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to remove recently visited sites' shortcut icons from Firefox in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.